Yo, mic check. Do a quick mic check. Can you guys hear me? Yo. Can you guys hear me? Let me, hold up. You guys can hear me, right? Hold on, I'm trying to. All right, cool. What is going on, everybody? All right, fat sell-off overnight. Jeez, missed all that. Anyways, all right. So we took out damn near everything. We took out CPI low, PPI low. Took out all that. So right now, I mean, we're holding a 1 hour gap to go further to the downside, but the thing is ES kind of has nowhere else to go anymore. The next low that I would look at would be like all the way down here for ES, but we've already cleared this low out, which is a weekly fair value gap. So we have a previous week low SMT. I mean, to be honest, just judging by the fact that we dumped this hard, we actually could just roll over again. But I want to be careful being a little more short bias down here, just because we're like way down here and we have all this stuff. We have the previous week low SMT, tapping the weekly fair value gap. So I kind of want to not get ahead of myself here. Let me get this on the interval. I wouldn't be opposed to looking for longs, but if we decide to just sell off, I'm cool with that too. Just aim for the 533, which is still about 174 points from where we're at right now. Not seeing much of a range besides this 1 hour gap. That's it. That's all we tapped here at 8. We tapped that and then we dropped lower to make a lower low. If we can fall under 930 open, get under 935, maybe some shorts would be nice. By the way, this week, there's like no news this week. All right. Did anybody take shorts last night? Anybody take shorts last night? That shit was crazy. I'm gonna go watch the Odyssey again, but this time in 70 millimeter. Shit was pretty cool. So I ended up missing out on all this. We found each other at the wrong time. What do we got? Oh, yeah. So, you know what? I'm just going to play this playlist. All right, so far NQ is heading lower. We don't have any SMT up here or anything, right? I mean, we call this one an SMT here. What's good, Dave? What's good? See, I always want to be a little more cautious coming into a day where we've dumped 500 points overnight. Usually when that happens, this can go either one of two ways. It either chops or it just continues. So I don't want to get caught in chop, dude. All last week in New York, we're just getting caught in chop. This is kind of how it was yesterday too, right? We chopped like till what, 11 delivered. Back in home this week. Let's lock in. Shitty August. It's been a tough month. I think New York is making a comeback. Asia session, I mean, yes, last night, right, it was decent, but the night before it wasn't all that great. And then last week, Asia session last week was kind of dog water. All right, we're just slowly dropping lower. This is kind of telling me that we most likely want to go towards the 533.50 level. So it's just all about finding like a good entry. Blew all my E-valves and down on my funded on what trade, bro? Maybe a 5-minute gap. Yeah, maybe. Yo, if you guys are trying to join the giveaway that ends today, make sure you guys join up the free Discord. It's in the announcements tab. Would this be a valid 5-minute change for me? Yeah, I mean, let me see on the 1 hour. I would look at this more as a as an order block. I mean, CISD is an order block formation, but excuse me. Yeah, I would look at this as like an OB, just because like we're not like we are reversing off this high, but we don't have like a range or anything like that. So I mean, OB and CISDs are pretty much the same thing. It's just a CISD is a confirmation reversal. Like if you're looking for continuation, I would just classify this as an order block, which we are. I'm leaning more towards a continuation. So I mean, this wouldn't be this trade right here off of this. Wouldn't be like a bad trade. Be about a 3R if you set the stop at the open of this candle. Which wouldn't be bad. It's about 50 points. And you wouldn't want to see us get above the 0.5 of an OB anyways. So you want to see, like, we can get wicks or whatever. You don't want to see, like, bodies close above a 0.5 of an order block. I mean, we edged it. We, like, almost tapped it. Same goes for CISDs, by the way. You don't want to see it get above the 0.5. I'm just being overly cautious here about how we react at this 930 low. If we get an SMT here and we push right back up into the range, it's gonna be a little tough. Let's see what happens. We all want to see the weekly get mitigated. I mean, it's right there, so. I guess you could consider this the SMT, this high, since that high is this high on ES. Just a little internal SMT. Just super slow delivery. There you go. We're in the macro. I'm just concerned with catching a piece of the pie here. That's it. We edged the order block CISD right there. We didn't tap it. So whatever. We just slowly dropped here. Honestly, if we form a 1 minute gap, I wouldn't be opposed to taking it down to here. Again, I just want to catch a piece of the pie. Just because I missed out on a majority of the pie, right? Like, all this happened overnight, so if we can form like a nice 1 minute gap under this low, then I would want to see that hold to drop into 533.50, which is the that's the weekly fair value gap. It's the higher time frame draw right now. No gap formed. No gap formed. All right, we're getting that SMT. This is a London Low SMT. It is. Oh shit. It is a London Low SMT. ES is the only one that did not clean it out. At least not yet. Ooh, shit. Okay. Yeah, we got that double dick SMT right there. Okay. Yeah, so London Low SMT and the 930 Low SMT. I like the draw being lower, but price can go back up one more time before dropping lower. So just off these SMTs. All right, 10's about to open up. And previous week low SMT. Yep. We got 3 SMTs. You know what I think happens this week or the rest of this week? The fact that we dropped so much so early, I'm thinking we're going to reverse back to the upside like today or tomorrow. Personally, that's what I think happens. I don't know if it's a Monday hive week, man. I don't know. I don't think so. My eye hurts. So far, just chopping around this low here. Not really doing much. Waiting for 10. There is 10 a.m. I almost would like to long up to 930 high up here. I like these highs too. These highs look really, really smooth up here. Like before dropping lower, I still think we do go lower, but like I like this scenario a lot more than just a flush. Because we have, right, we have London low SMT and then 930 low SMT. Like I could definitely see this. I would love to see this, but we'll see. We'll see. We don't have a 1 minute change or anything yet. So if we can get a 1 minute change in the state, which would be right, oh, this would be right here. That would be super fire. And I wouldn't be opposed to taking a long there up to here if we can get it. To be honest, we don't need one more sweep because the manipulation already happened prior to 10, right? We have the SMT down here, so we don't necessarily need to sweep one more time. We can, but I don't think we will. $9.53? Nah, it's a bearish candle, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and market enter a long right here. I'm gonna market enter a longer right here. I'm gonna try to aim for that high up there. My fill's a little bit higher. About 45 points. I would like to go for these highs. These smooth, relative equal highs up there. So stop is above or below the fair value gap formed here. Price level failure swing on the 1 hour. Ah, you're right. You're right. However, I don't think it needs to sweep it at this moment. Just because we have, you know, all the SMTs happening on lower time frames. I mean, it can, if it wants to, then so be it. But honestly, if it did come back down to sweep like that, I would probably be looking for shorts because, I mean, we have everything set up for this to push back up and then possibly back down and take out that failure swing. That's personally what I would want first. I wouldn't want to see this come back flush and make a lower low, because at that point, honestly, I think I would just want to see it flush. You know what I mean? We'll see. I mean, 45 points on this trade. Oh no, I'm about to get liquidated. Bro, you know what I've noticed? Every time I've been fucking trading live on YouTube, I enter and I get stopped out within like 3 minutes. It's fucking insane. Like, fucking stopped out, bro. I fucking stopped out, bro. Oh man. Literally, the last like 4 times I've been live on this shit, I'll enter and then stopped out. Like, I enter and stopped out within like the next like 2-3 minutes. Like, it's shit gives me no wiggle room. I don't like the reaction. I do not. No, I'm not blaming the lives. I'm just saying it's funny. Personally, I don't like this reaction here. I don't like the fact that we inverse this and now we're coming back down. Don't like that. If we make a lower low, then I think we would draw down to here. I wonder, do we inverse this? Respect the 1 minute. Low key, I may just try a short. I'm not gonna lie, I might just flip and try a short here. I like the reaction here. We inverse this, respected this, going for a new lower low. Do we short this motherfucker? $50 points. If I were to lose this one, that'd be almost 100 points of an L. Where's the V2? What do you mean, where's the V2? It's right here, right in front of your face. 1 minute change. There you go. And it swept out the low. So 1 minute change, right? You got the 1 minute change right there. 15-minute range. It just took out the range low. So just a continuation. It's like a 1-to-1 now. Dun 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 dun. Fuck the 1 minute time frame. Go to the 5:15. Okay. I mean, the only entry on the 5, to be honest, was probably the 5 minute order block, and then the 15. I don't know where I would have entered on the 15. The 1 minute kind of had the most structure for everything. That's why I'm on the 1 minute. All right, we're obviously drawing down to this low. I would like to try a short to the downside if we can maybe get some sort of just fair value gap tap or something. All right. I didn't want to see it make, like, if I wanted to see this push up, I didn't want to see this make another low, because at that point, like I said, we're probably gonna draw down into 53350, which is what's happening right now. we could tap into here, then I'd take that. Let's see if we can tap into it. Perfect equal lows on ES. ES gonna attack this first. Looking leaner, thanks, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't worked out in a little bit just because I've been so fucking busy with so much shit, dude. I'm about to move and like literally next weekend, not this weekend, but next weekend, I'm moving. So not this weekend, the 28th, like the 28th, 29th. Moving to Dallas, Texas. So I'm leaving Florida, going to Dallas. I haven't really been working out, man, because I just came back from home and I was with family. I didn't get a chance to really go work out and stuff. So I know, excuses. Yeah, moving to the big D town. Bro's lacking protein and workout, so he looks lean. Funny. But I think I'm gonna try a short here. Just try a short scalp down to here. I don't know where I would want to set my stop though. I'm not too sure where I'd place a stop. I think I'm gonna have a loose stop. I'm not in a trade yet, but I do want to short this. But I think I'm gonna have like a looser stop, meaning like if I see this close above like 2 fair value gaps or something like that, then I'll close it, which it would be about like 35 points maybe. But I want to aim for previous week low. Like if we close above this one and this next one, and we just keep pushing up, then I would probably close it for a loss. I'm gonna enter this. Enter short down to there. Again, kind of a looser stop. I can adjust this up or down, but for now, goodness. All right, I'm in. 617, 75, 617, 75. I'll adjust this need be if I need to. Like again, if we like close above these gaps or whatever, then we'll probably just close it out. He said, "Why Dallas?" Just because, yeah, just what Dirty Dave said. It's kind of overall better for my situation. Florida was cool. I liked it. It's not a bad state at all. I just it's a little more isolated over here for me. Like my family's very far away, and every time I travel to go see them, it's fucking annoying because I have to take 2 planes. I have to do a layover because the airport over there is like small, so I have to do a layover in like Chicago or Dallas and then get the direct flight there, and it's just super it's super annoying. It's like a 6-hour trip when it shouldn't be. But from Dallas to back home, if I want to take a plane, it's like an hour, or if I want to drive, it's like 5. And then it's just closer to family. And then over here, everybody in Florida, bro, at least all the day trading dudes, they're just fucking ego is through the roof, bro. The ego is crazy. I don't really hang out with anybody out here, so I'm very like isolated, which I don't like, to be honest. That's some crazy logic day. He said, "Loki, not gonna lie, everyone's working out now. If you're not working out, you're low-key not even looking basic. Being jacked is like the basic build now. Might as well go for the dad bod." That's fucking insane. That's insane thinking, bro. So another reason why I have a loose stop on this trade is because ES formed perfect equal lows with London low. So again, anytime I see ES having perfect equal lows or equal highs, just like this, I know for a fucking fact ES is going to draw down to those lows eventually. Like, if it ain't going to do it here, it'll probably do it later, but I know for a fact those lows are going to get taken out. For a fact, bro, with the big old fat F. What the fuck happened to the music? Oh shit. Who are the traders in Florida, bro? There's a fuck ton of them. There's a lot of people. Dude, everybody lives out here. But I mean, I don't really give a fuck. Like, I thought I was gonna hang out with like more people in my niche and shit, but everybody's just kind of whack. Got massive fucking egos. Yeah, and also I just fucking hate the city. Like I hate city life. I'm not even gonna lie. Like I realized that a lot this last year. Like my girl loves it, but I fucking hate it. Like that shit is so whack. I don't know. I hate city. Anything city is like I fucking hate it. I hate driving to Miami. I hate being in Miami. It's cool to visit. Don't get me wrong. I like visiting Miami, but nah, it's not even country, bro. It's not even country. Like I don't even fuck with the country either. I'm more of like a laid back suburbs type of dude. You know what I mean? I'm a suburbs baby. What was that Kodak Black video? I'm a suburbs kid. I like a quiet neighborhood. You know what I mean? No, the city's cool to visit though. I fuck like. If I'm coming to visit, I like getting a B&B in Miami, whatever, just going crazy over there, like in a B&B or whatever. But like living here and going there, I don't know, bro. It's super annoying. Like, I couldn't imagine living in Miami, straight up. Especially when you're like tied down and shit, you don't want to live in the city, bro. I don't know, personally. It's like, the fuck is there to do? Like, as a guy, what is there to do in the city when you're tied down, bro? Like, straight up. Like as a young dude, right? Like, what the fuck is there to do when you're tied, when you got a lady already? Like, what else is there to do? Okay, go to a fucking coffee shop in the morning. Okay, what are you gonna do for the rest of your day and night? Like, I would get it, like, if you're a young dude with some homies and you split an apartment, like all these fucking traders do. Like, fuck, bro. All these traders, they be living with like 2 or 3 people. They pay like $1,000, $2,000 a month in rent. And I would get that. Like, I would do that if I was a young dude or if I was single or whatever. But like, when you're tied down, what the fuck, bro? Like, fuck the city life. I'm not liking this fucking gap down here holding. This little 1 minute bullish gap. I want to see this get inversed. Yeah, lack of delivery is worrisome, straight up. I don't have, oh my fucking goodness. I don't have a loose or a hard stop, excuse me. I mean, I might just get out of this. I don't know yet. Because I know ES is going to draw back towards these lows. I fucking know it is. I know it is. I know it's going to draw back towards these lows. I know for a fucking fact, bro. I know for a fucking fact. It's a matter of when, not if. Is literally it. It's a matter of when and not if. I might have to call it though. I might have to fucking call it because I'm not trying to risk too much. You added? Oh, you got some cojones, compadre. Yeah, make sure you guys like up the stream. I got the giveaway going in the Discord, in the free Discord, so make sure you guys join up there. It's some Apex accounts and some Lucid accounts. Oh man, come on. You know what I think we're gonna do? If we do keep pushing up, we're probably gonna SMT this high up here. We're probably gonna SMT this high right up here, this internal one. And then come back lower. Alright, I'm gonna just hop out. I'm gonna get out. Fucking 50, another 55 points. So I'm down 100 points on the day. Down 100 points on the fucking day. And the 15-minute looks like this. Yeah, one con. About $2,000. See, here's my dilemma right now. I wouldn't want to long this because ES has these perfect ass equal lows, so I wouldn't long this at all. And the draw for NQ is right there. I mean, we were only 35 points away, so it's right fucking there. I think we're just going to SMT this high, personally. I think that's what's going to happen. We're just going to end up SMTing this high here with ES or YM, and then we're going to end up dropping lower. I think that's what's going to happen. I don't know what this PA is, man. I don't know. I mean, bro, we had a drop of 500 plus points or 480 something overnight. So, I mean, it's completely normal for this shit to do something like this. Like, this is what I was worried about coming into the stream. I mentioned it briefly at the beginning of the stream. Like, this is exactly what the fuck I was worried about. And it fucking does it. The last like 3-4 times I've been live on YouTube, bro, like we've just chopped. It's fucking annoying. Or like the move happens after I get off. Yeah, I took 2 losses, David. A long and a short. We just tapped 930 open. Well, we got close to it. Never mind. Probably still reacting from the 5-minute CISD that you wanted to enter off of. I don't know, man. These highs look fucking smooth, dude. Like, I would like to see ES take out those lows first, or fuck, I don't even know at this point, dude, to be honest. Like, I could see this pushing up to here and then dropping lower. If we don't SMT this high, like if there's no SMT here and we just keep popping above it, then I could see this for sure. I could see something like this playing out today. That's the 4-hour gap too. Oh no, I'm tripping. My bad now. Excuse what I just said. Wait, is it? Wait, is it the fucking 4-hour gap? Wait, it is. What the fuck? Wait, hold on. It is the 4-hour gap. Yeah, it's the 4-hour gap. Like, bro, if we don't, like, look at ES. It's taking out that high right now. It's taking out the high right. It's about to right now. So once that gets taken out, if we don't respect this pretty much 10 a.m. 5-minute rejection block, right? Like if we don't respect this shit and we pop back above it, then I would think that these highs are next. But we got this rejection block here at 10 a.m. I'd like to see ES take out this high, SMT that, and let this RB here hold. Dun, 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 dun. I would want to see this hold here. We're hesitant on the 5-minute change as well. We're not closing a body above for a bullish one. I want to see ES take out those highs and then go from there. Asian might be the method? Yeah, it might be. Oh man. Yeah, this thing ain't doing shit, bro. Come on. Let's see if ES can take out these highs here. This rejection block is holding pretty well. I would just like to see ES take out this high and SMT that high. 10 a.m. rejection block is it's holding pretty well. It's funny because the 0.5 of the rejection block is pretty much 930 open. Holy fucking boring, dude. And now we got equal highs and equal lows on the ES. This rejection block held really nice. YM made an SMT up there. It did, above the 10 a.m. high. But it's not that high right there that it SMT'd is this high here. It's not a clean one. GG, the rejection block held. What happened, Hamza? Oh shit. Is that RB considered the Powell 10 a.m. model? I don't know. Not too sure. I just noticed it because we were about to SMT the high on ES. So I don't know if you guys know what a rejection block is, because a lot of people just pattern trade shit. A rejection block is pretty much a wick that's made that rejected a key level, right? It can be a PD array or a higher low, etc. Like in this case, the PD array would have been the OB. It rejected it, formed a wick at a key time. So 10 a.m. is a key time, 5 minute, 10 a.m. wick. We come back up, we tap 9:30 open, which is funny enough, coincidentally enough, the CE, the midpoint of this rejection block. So yeah, taps it, rejects it, runs away from it. I personally would have loved to have seen a SMT above 10 a.m. high on ES because it formed perfect equal highs. I would have loved to have seen a sweep there, and I probably would have shorted the rejection block. But yeah, I mean, rejection blocks, to be honest, guys, I only notice them and I only use them when they're formed at key times and at key levels like PD arrays or important levels like previous day high, low, etc. And really, they're always around key times. Like if you notice the best rejection blocks, they will always be around the most important times: 9:30, 10 a.m., 2 p.m. 8 p.m., 6 p.m. Like, my God, bro, this thing is gonna fucking dump now. Tisk, tisk, tisk. A little 1 minute change in the state on a 15-minute range.